Bring your bike onto AC Transit. Before we do, let's go over the basics. First, make sure you approach the bus when it is fully stopped. Approach the bus with your bike from the sidewalk. Make sure the driver sees you and understands you will be loading your bike onto the front of the bus. If there aren't any other bikes on the rack, you'll need to lower it. Place your bike in the slot closest to the bus. The rack has clear instruction labels. Make sure the front tire is in its designated spot, then pull the support arm across. Then remove all loose belongings from your bike, like water bottles and bags, and then board the bus. Once you reach your stop, exit the bus from the front door so you can let the driver know you're ready to remove your bike. To release the support arm, pull up and bring it all the way down to its original starting position. Lift your bike up and off the rack and put it on the ground. If you're the last bike, close the rack by squeezing the handle again and pulling it up, then move to the sidewalk. And that's it. Now you're ready to ride AC Transit with your bike.